The beat goes on. I'm crimping on terminals. I like to do a good job. I soldered all my connections outside. I won't solder these. I stuck my 10 gauge wire into some nice big fat yellow spade terminals. Can't over tighten them because the spade gets wider, but that's a good connection nevertheless. Make sure everything is tight. Gotta check every connection. Tighten her up. Get the ground wire over there. Terminals. Got lots. Thanks, spiked punk. Just about ready to crank her up. See you in a minute. I'm getting closer. Got my switch on for the water pump. There's a switch, pressure switch here, and I've got my wire connector. I like to use metal boxes. I don't like those plastic ones. I gotta snip off this screw now, circumcise it, because I've got a wire connector that it hits. And I'll screw this switch into the box and turn it on, and go turn the breaker on and listen to see if I have any water pressure, and it'll only build to there. Then maybe I'll turn it on and see what happens. Can't wait, huh? Got my cement blocks holding the water tank above the ground. And I'm going to put a couple extra outlets in here, and an extra lamp over here for the new people, and take all this crap out of here, including my Holley carburetor. Wow, I just busted the screw off inside the box. That's weird. What a friggin' headache. Yeah, the screw just broke right off. Now I gotta bend this ear down. I got a spare one. And bend the ear down and screw the screw out. Arrgh. Well, I try to unscrew the screw from the back by bending the ear forward, and it just busted off, so I just snipped half the little round things here. I snipped them in half. I bent the ear forward, and I just stuck the switch behind it. It'll be good enough. I got a switch plate here, right there, and chunks in my shoes. Oh, little piece of a clock. Must have been a Swiss watchmaker living here. There. You never even know it was busted. I'll fix her up. Alright, littlest things can set you back. I'm still in this corner. Put my beige switch plate on, used of course, and I brought some screws. I buy them by the box, so I got round screws in there. Country of origin, USA. Bought a whole box. Staples, cable staples for number 2 conductor, number 12 ordained. King Manufacturing, Jaffrey, New Hampshire. Boy, I bet you it's cold up there. Got my brand new Maglite flashlight, made in California, Ontario, California, just outside of San Diego. Yeah, I landed there when I was going to get that black Suburban because there was fog. So they landed us in Ontario, which I guess is outside of LA, between LA and San Diego, which is a couple hours apart. Well, that radio's loud. So, I am going to flip on the switch. I think I wired up the breaker. Water pump. Oh, that's bright. Crank her up! Oh boy, I'm scared. Uh-oh. Poof. Short circuit. Not good. Oh well, back to the drawing board. I had screwed something up. Oh boy. I wonder what. Disconnect 2 wires there. I wonder what's wrong. Yep. Oh well. Yeah. Alright. 2 minutes later, found the problem. These connections here don't go together. They have to be one line on one line there. I'll figure it out. I've been playing around. Shouldn't be a problem. Yeesh, electrician. Alright, I got my wires done properly. One power goes to one power goes to the other, one switched goes to one switched goes to the other. Ooh, duh. Anyhow, I was just reviewing a video that I had to delete, and I noticed I spelled K-Rob, Caro Bonson, put 2 N's instead of 2 I's. Oops, spelling mistake. Oh, what a dopey. I even checked my spelling, but I didn't check it carefully enough. What am I doing here? Turn on the breaker. All I have to do now is hook up my wires outside. Oh, it's chilly here, boy. 30 degrees, -1. It's frost on the Suburban. All right. Let's see what happens. Frosty. Oh, I hate these moments. Crank her up! Is the pump working? Is the switch on downstairs? Who knows? Don't know. Put my ear to it. Oh yeah, listen. Pumping away. Probably flooding the basement. Let's go downstairs and look. Almost at a minute, so I'll tune you back in when I'm in the basement. Off. On. Ready? Whoop! Pressure! Now, turn off the old pump with 1 minute and 27 seconds. Turn off the existing pump. Click. And turn on this baby. Oh yeah, opera. Crank her up. Whee! Careful. I don't know what I'm doing here, but I'm doing something. I have no idea what's going on. $45 pounds. Got pressure. Ooh, that light is bright. 50. Blow some pipes off. Click! Pump goes on, pump goes off, pump goes on. I thought maybe I'd pinch something over here. Or pinch something in there. Ah! Success. Or something. Alright. On to the next project. Goodbye. See you in the morning. Toro home time. Guys coming. Just had a huge air bubble. Click. What's going on upstairs? I thought I was checked out for the night. Fresh well water, $2,500 plus $1,000 of supplies and $1,000 for the trench. Whatever that ended up costing. Anyhow, let's tune you back into that. Check this out. Crud's coming out of the pipes because they got so much water pressure. I had to test the water, huh? Check this out. Chunks. On the cold side, I guess the hot side's getting deposited in the hot water tank. Isn't that strange? Where's that black coming from? Black green. Yeah. I just go home. There goes the pump. Click. I let that run overnight. You know what'll happen? I'll come here in the morning and the house will be floating down the street. So I'm not going to let it run overnight. I got to change the shower head and the tub, the faucet, the spout. In the well pump. Click. And you thought I was done for the night. Miswired. What a dopey. Drawdown. 20-gallon drawdown. Off at 45, on at 35. 34, 33. Click. Builds that pressure fast. Not very low down, only 60 feet I think. Well, with 74 feet, I only put it down 60 or so feet. .46, 48, click. Well, there you have it. All right, I'll go check the color of my water. Less black. All right, we're done for the night. Drilled. Well, don't misspell it. Pump. Off. Isn't that pretty?